Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 Kia Niro Touring Special Edition. For your people that enjoy this stuff like me, we were supposed to take all this stuff off because this gets stuck. Yeah, see how that side's taken off? This is crucial because once it starts getting warm and cold and warm, they get stuck on there. Total price of $31,880. Aurora Black. Pretty cool. New Kia badge. Before you guys start yelling at me for getting rid of this plastic, they tell me to do it, so. They say if you ever find plastic still on it, get rid of it. I mean, except for the door sills and stuff, because that protects them. But you can hear. Yeah, okay, there you go. It does have a little backup beeper because you wouldn't hear this thing backing up in a parking lot. Over the bump. In normal drive, the paddles control how much regen there is. But I'm gonna drive this thing in sport mode. Really wakens it up. Yep, this reminds me why I don't come down here on weekdays. You can go around and it's just absolutely awesome. You can go around in full EV mode, or in sport mode, it will keep the engine on. It's really, really nice. These are actually a good amount of fun to drive. Yep. This is going to be a recurring problem, isn't it? What's nice is you do have paddle shifters behind the wheel. Paddle shifters really, really help waking up this car. I'll be honest, a lot of hybrids aren't fun to drive. This one actually is a good amount of fun, especially in this sport mode. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.